What's up, guys? Today I'm going to start by cleaning up my shop area and getting it ready for a carving. I'm going to be doing a double sign bear. It's a custom order. Usually I just do like a single sign bear holding a sign, but they want two of them because it's a custom order and they think it'll be cute. So anyways, I'm going to listen to a podcast and I'm going to clean up my area and I'm going to get started, and I'm just gonna let that roll. So yeah, I should probably get some pictures on my phone for the old Instagram. Speaking of which, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, it's Why Did Creations Co. on Instagram. So that's cool. I don't know what else. That's really all I got for you. Cue work sequence. I don't have much time before I gotta switch out memory cards on this thing, so I'm just gonna give you an update and go do that. Got some fur on the top of their heads. Got their faces in, looking cute. So cute. Yeah, just gotta work my way down with fur and work on the base a little bit, make it better. It's not the best right now, so I'll work on that. Yeah, that's where we're at. Ta-da, ta-da! Oh, I forgot the line for their hands, didn't I? Oh, I suck. Other than that, that's a carved bear. Next is finish work. Yeah, I mean, next is finish work. That's all I got to do. Sand it, take the Dremel to it, burn, brush again, burn it again, oil, all that stuff. But yeah, that's it. I don't know if I'll record that stuff. Maybe, I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? So I'll give you a walk around. Here's what the bear looks like. There's going to be welcome across the front. I got little random paint drips around here, so I got to clean that up. But once that's clean, it's just going to go to oil. Yeah, that's where we're at. I think it's looking great. I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, about all I got for you. Don't really have much else to say. Not sure what else you want to see. Yeah. That's about what I got. Check you later.